I cannot tell you how much I love the No Glue Press On nails from imPRESS. I have been using these over and over again, and I find that they last longer for me than the glue press-on nails. And all they are stickers. They go on super clean, and as long as you're paying attention, I find that these last me at least a week, if not longer. All you need to do is make sure you find the right size for each finger. Really clean your fingers. This is key. I wash them, I fully dry them, and then I use rubbing alcohol to really wipe them down. And then you'll want to hold each nail on your finger for at least 30 seconds, pushing as hard as you can on the top and on the sides. If you apply these right, they really will last a long time. I love using them because not only do they look great and they let me switch out colors and styles with ease, but right now I'm actually growing my nails out after damaging them thanks to gel nail polish. And these press-ons are such a lifesaver. They let my nails look good while they're growing out, and I might just use them all the time.